Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? MashaAllah. All of you are fine? That's great. Okay, without wasting our time, let's start our today's work. What is our today's work? Yes, this is not our today's work because today we are going to do this one page. But you know it very well that before starting our today's work, I will listen your previous work. So let's start. Okay, now what is this? Excellent, it's apple. This one, bag. This one, hat. This one, cat. This one, mask. And this one, fan. Amazing. You guys are amazing. Clap for yourself. But wait. Who will tell this one work that I gave you as your homework? Huh? What is this? Very good. Back. Back. And what is this one? Bat. Very good. And what is this one? Ladder. I know this is a little bit difficult. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है ये वाला. And what is this one? You like this animal? Yes. Owl. Camel. Camel. Very well done. Now please clap for yourself. Very good. Now I'm very happy. बहुत खुश हूँ मैं कि आपने मुझे इतना अच्छा लेसन सुनाया. Now come to our next page. Congratulations. Today we are on page number 5. And can you see that today we are going to do the sound of E. And what is the sound of E? It's A. It's A. So let's start. Elf. I told you it's not alley. So it will be L. Okay. L. And elephant. Not alley. Okay. The sound of E will be silent over here. So it will be elf and okay. Pencil. I told you that C have two sounds. The one sound is K, hard sound that we use in cow. But here we are using soft sound that is okay. So it is pencil. It is pencil. Egg. 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 Clear? Desk. Desk. What is this? What is the sound of Y in yo-yo? Yes, it's yeah. It will be yellow. 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 Yes. Now come towards this one word. Leg. Leg. Very good. And can you match these pictures now? Huh? Let's see what is the first word. The first one word is elephant. Elephant. The first one word is elephant. So, what will be the picture of elephant? Yes, the picture of elephant is this one. So we will do matching like this. Now, pencil. Yes, you're right. This is pencil. Now, egg. Yes, this is egg. Now, desk. This is desk. Now, yellow. So, where is yellow? Here is. And where is leg? Leg कहाँ पे है? Yes, this is leg. Here. Now do matching like this, and I am waiting. Okay, after matching, today again I will give you these words as your homework. Again you have to learn these words with the help of your mama, your baba, or your sister or brother. मामा, बाबा या आपी और भैया की हेल्प से आपने ये वर्ड्स लर्न करने हैं. एंड द साउंड इज which one? This one sound. And what is the sound of E? It's A. It's not A. A sound is of A. So we have to learn sound A. So I am going to mark A sound that you have to focus on this sound A. Okay, you have to focus on this sound. So till then I want to say you learn your lesson carefully with the help of your mama, your baba or your sister. Till then I want to say you take care and bye bye. Allah Hafiz.